This is the first step to filling up the fresh water tank on the California. This so you can use your outdoor shower connection and sink on the inside. You need to remove the cap, which is at the back here. From there, if you open the cupboard at the back, there is a funnel provided. This twists on the same as the cap. It can be a little bit fiddly at first, but once you've given it a few tries, it's easy to get on. This top piece goes on, and from there, you can fill up with a water tank, or as I've got here, a hose. If you need to drain your fresh water tank, this is how you do so. You start by removing the shelving at the top. From there, you remove your shower, and once you're there, you can access the handle for the fresh water tank to drain. When you need to drain your wastewater, you do so from underneath the kitchen. You open up this sliding cupboard door, you remove these two pieces here, and then you can access the handle for the wastewater. Twist and it releases. You need to make sure you're over a provided drain at your campsite, or you have a wastewater container to collect this. Through this control panel at the rear, you can see a lot of your camping options. One push of the main button takes you to the main menu here, where you can see your fresh water and wastewater levels.